Okay, while we were away, I went ahead and made the second cut on the sides of the tab because it was the same as the first except for the offset and reverse rotation. What I'm doing now is clearing out the waste area between the two tabs, and you can see I've done two already. It's clearing out most of it, but there's just a little flake left here that we can see, and those will just break off with a little push of a file or a tool or whatever. So we're going to show you here, make one or two cuts clearing out the center area between the tabs. And I'll do one more. And while we're still rolling here, let me grab a little tool here, and I don't know if we'll be able to see this or not, but we'll just take that little guy right there and see he just breaks right off, and we're cleared out between the teeth now. And this area down in the bottom between the tabs is non-functional as far as the ratchet and pawl mechanism goes, so this isn't going to take a whole lot of stuff to finish this up. I'll run a flat file over it to deburr it a little bit, maybe put it in a tumbler, maybe just kind of ignore the sharp edges because they don't really hurt anything. So until we come around here and show you the finished part, that's it for this episode.